When was the last time you changed your phone or computer wallpaper? Maybe you change it every month, or maybe you are still using the out of the box one. And while this is a niche thing to make a video on, Google Trends shows wallpapers remain a high volume search topic. Offering free wallpapers to your audience if you're a creator has also turned out to be a great lead magnet. Changing your wallpaper is the quickest way to make your device feel new, and that's the reason people download wallpapers even in 2025. I started doing it as a side project. It was a great way to keep my audience engaged, and to this day, I still put around 30 calendar wallpapers up on my website every month. And since I started tracking, they've gained over 30,000 downloads. I wasn't tracking how many people were using them, so one month I decided not to do the wallpapers. That's when I realized it's a ritual for people because I got so many DMs asking where the wallpapers are. I think it's the same reason we buy phone cases or ringtones. If you remember, in 2024, the beloved YouTuber Marques Brownlee launched an app called Panels, and it was a $12 subscription which allowed people to download wallpapers. So it's a wallpaper app that's $12 a month, and the internet was obviously very enraged about this, and the main takeaway is that people like wallpapers, they just don't want to pay for them. Every month, I sit down and I curate images and design wallpapers in Photoshop. I export them in 3 ratios for iPhone, for desktop, and tablet. I upload them, write my newsletter, and update the freebie library. It takes around 90 minutes to do all of this, so it's not a huge deal. But sometimes life gets in the way, and I was just looking for an easier way to create the wallpapers. So I decided to create some kind of web tool that would allow me to design them more easily and just enhance my process overall. So I created this web tool, and I'm going to show you how it works. I created it originally for myself, but when it was done, I realized that this is a perfect thing I can share with all of you. If you like customizing your device, you can create your own wallpapers every month with just a few clicks. And yeah, it's completely free and it's up on my website. So let me show you how it works. You can access it from the freebie library, and I'll make sure to leave a link in the description. So the tool looks like this. It's very simple and it allows you to create your perfect monthly wallpaper. You can choose the month and the calendar will update automatically. Then you choose if you want the week to start on Monday, and you can customize the text color. So you can choose your own color, or I'm gonna go for automatic here. For the background, we have solid. You can upload a custom image or use the gradient aura. Since we selected automatic, the color of the text will adjust depending on the background. And when we're happy with that, we can also adjust the aura size. I also included a few typography options. Here you can select the month size, whether or not you want it to be curved, the amount, as well as the font. For the last options, we have the layout, so you can adjust the spacing between the calendar and the month, as well as the scale. And finally, when you're exporting, you choose the device you want and just readjust and download. Every month, I usually include 5 or 6 different aura wallpapers, but this way you can adjust your own, fully customize, and do it at any point of the month. If you want to try them out, I will link the freebie library below. And if you have ideas for new features, let me know and I will work on that. Let me know if this was interesting. See you next time.